What's up, everyone? If you're looking for a drone that's powerful, easy to fly, and small enough to toss into any backpack, pay attention. Today we're checking out the Lenovo A66 Drone. Lenovo is known for reliable tech, and they packed some serious features into this little foldable quadcopter, including an 8K HD dual camera and essential intelligent obstacle avoidance. Let's see what this thing can do. Design and core power. Right out of the box, the A66 screams portability. When it's folded, it's tiny, just 15.5 centimeters long, making it incredibly easy to carry. But don't let the size fool you. Under the hood, the A66 is rocking a powerful brushless motor. That's a huge win, meaning you get better efficiency, less noise, and significantly longer motor life compared to cheaper brushed alternatives. Now, let's talk flight time. You get about 15 minutes of battery life from the rechargeable 1800 mAh lithium battery, with a full charge taking about 90 minutes. The flight distance is around 100 meters. This makes the A66 an ideal drone for practicing your skills in a local park or flying around your yard. It's built for fun, close-in shots, not long-distance scouting. Smart safety and stable flight. One of the biggest anxieties for new pilots is crashing, and the A66 takes that fear head-on. It features intelligent obstacle avoidance, using sensors to scan its surroundings and automatically navigate away from potential collisions. This is an absolute game changer, especially when flying indoors or in tight spaces. The drone stability is managed by its Optical Flow Positioning hovering system. This uses a sensor on the belly of the drone to maintain its position relative to the ground. Why is this important? It means the A66 holds its altitude and position very steadily, even without GPS, making it much easier to control for both beginners and when you're flying low or indoors. The 8K dual camera system. Of course, the star of the show is the camera. The A66 comes equipped with an 8K HD dual camera setup. The dual camera means you get both a forward-facing lens and a downward-facing lens, giving you two different perspectives. Crucially, the main lens offers 90 remote adjustment. That means you can change the tilt of the camera using the 2.4 GHz remote control while the drone is in the air. You can start with a wide horizon shot and then instantly tilt down for that perfect bird's eye view. This flexibility is what elevates your footage from a simple flight video to a truly cinematic shot. Final takeaway. The Lenovo A66 Drone is a perfect blend of portability, safety, and imaging capability. It gives you the smooth, durable performance of a brushless motor paired with the confidence of obstacle avoidance. If you're looking for an entry-level drone that still delivers high-quality 8K video and phenomenal stability for close-quarters flight, the A66 should be high on your list. Would you prefer a drone with longer range or one with better obstacle avoidance? Let me know in the comments below.